Hi friends, good afternoon. Now we are going to talk about India Bulls. And my name is Parsati and this is my mobile number. I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So before taking any position, please consult your financial advisor. Okay. So now we'll go to India Bulls on a day candle. Okay. So based on this low, it has taken a exact support at the angle and it is started moving up. Okay, so now it is at the resistance which is 206.50. I will come and tell you why it is facing resistance here. So now this angle is giving a resistance at 206.50. Once 206.50 is crossed, the high possibility the next target is 252 and the next target is 377 and the last and final target is 431. But I will tell you why why this target is achievable. Okay, so now based on angle, yes, it is at resistance. So once above, close above 206.50, it is good to go to the upper level. Okay, so now coming to the second research on India Bulls, even this is on day candle. Based on Ichimoku, yes, the lagging span is out of the cloud, which is the black color line, and the script is out of the cloud, and it is this conversion line is giving a support, and the baseline is at 194. Okay, so yes, the support is already there, and if you go to weekly, yes, it is entered the cloud after a long time. If you see from here, right from let's say 1175, first time it is entering the cloud. Okay, so now if you take the last week low, because last week here it entered the inside the cloud, and if you take the last week low, it is 183.45 and the high is 217. Okay, and based on monthly, first time it is closed above this conversion line, the red color line. Okay, so that is why it is bullish. The high possibility target here it shows is 498. Possibility of touching this is very high. Okay, so now coming to pitchfork, yes, the trend line is giving us support amazingly. On the topmost, it is facing a resistance at the median bar, the median line, which normally I used to say that this median line is a very big resistance as well as very big support. Okay, so now it has touched yesterday, sorry, on 16th it touched that high which is 218, sorry, 217, and then it came back. So now above this trend line and above this median line, the higher possibility is there till up to 379 as of now, but it has to close above 216.5, this median line. It has to cross and close above this median line. Okay, and coming to weekly, this is amazing. Based on the trend line, it has made a bottom already, and the trend line here also it is giving amazing support, and this is high level consolidation. Okay, the high level consolidation, and if you take this low and if you add 26 bar, the bar now the 26th bar comes on 14th September 2020. Okay, you are able to see in the down, the high is 200 and the low is 178. Okay, so now anything about 200 itself it is bullish, and yesterday it closed at 203, but it's good to go only above 206.50. Okay, so this is based on weekly, and trend line also giving a support, and here also it's a wedge, it is crossed, and after very long time it is above the consolidation range. Okay, next, if you come to dates. Okay, so now from 26th candle from this low, which comes on 7th December. The 7th December I use 206.50. and the low is 193.3. So as of now the stop loss is 192.80 and buy only about 206.50 because this 26th candle works like a magic. And apart from this, if you take this day high which happened on 6th October 2018, if you calculate 576 days, that is also very important in our dates magic. So 576 candle exactly comes on the same date on the same date which is 7th December 2020. So that is why I'm saying this candle holds the key. The 7th December candle holds the key because 26th bar candle matching and 576th candle also matching. So any close above 206.50, yes, it is very good, and the stop loss is 192.80. Without stop loss, please don't trade. Okay. So now the next important trend change coming on 23rd December, which is actually Wednesday. So now as of now the stop loss is 192.80 in case if you buy about 205. Once I see the low of high and low of this day which is 23rd December, my stop loss will be revised. Okay, based on that candle also I can go long or I can go short. But when you do all the research, yes, it has made a bottom and it is good to go to higher level, and I've already mentioned the target for a very short term target. Anything above 203, the target is 212, 220, 225, 228 and 233. This is for a short term period. And coming to my number game, okay, so in this number game last month it has given a buy entry at 183, but I didn't buy at here because I buy only about 206.50. Yesterday it closed at 203, and the exact number of conversions happened at 196. So it is above 7 rupees from here. So anything above 196 itself, it is bullish. In case if you get an opportunity to buy somewhere around 195.50, or even at 192, 193, 193.50 also, just put 75 paisa stop loss and take any quantity you want. Okay. And why I am saying that 531 is possible is because this has to touch this number which is 427 according to my workings. So we are left again 224 points from here, and I've already told you that Nalco target is 51 all because of this only, and IndusInd Bank target is 1331, and Tata Motors target is 193, and LIC Housing Finance is 429, and ITC target is first target is 231. So based on this, yes, all these you can take a note of it. High possibility to touch all these numbers, and I've already informed that from 21st to 26 I'm expecting a fall. In case if you get at 193, 195 like that, the stop loss is very less, and we can go for a good quantity. Hope you like this video. In case if you want any clarification, you can call me at this number. Yes, India Bulls is showing bull. Thanks a lot.